We're getting the hurricane flood already. Check it out. Check it out, man. The hurricane flood. Not even animal pee. This thing leaks. It goes on a certain cycle and starts leaking. We're getting the flood. Don't forget a towel. You turn a dishwasher on. This is the fix. You just go like that with the towel. And it's all better. Oh, there it is right there. You can see it. Drip, 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 drip. Right there. See it? Drip. Yeah, it's really dripping tonight, man. Only electrical. Where's the power? Power's over here. It's not. Oh, power's right on it. Oh, that's cool, man. Right there, though. High quality. Little piece of plastic. Drip, 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 drip. Oh, this thing's pouring out tonight, man. Wow. Alright. Enough of this. We saw it here first. The big flood.